Good evening. It is 7:17 in the PM. And I just got up from an hour's lay down, a wee power nap, if you will. My head was starting to pound. And I don't really feel any better. I still feel like I could break out into a headache at any. I hate headaches. Oh my god. And I'm so tired. Oh my god. Well, today was unexpected. I slept very well last night. Got up, no problem. Coffee was ready. It's fine. But my boss didn't come to work today, and neither me nor my coworker know why. Which is fine, whatever. I don't care. It doesn't bother me. I'm just curious. We had, 5 houses today? 5 houses, I think, today. Oh, there's my hand. 5 houses today. And I think we were done, and I was home. Oh, crap. Probably before 2 o'clock. I'll say 1:45. Between 1:45 and 2 o'clock. I think we were actually, sorry, I'm getting text bombed. I think we were actually, I had said when we left to do our last house, I had said to my coworker, we'll be done it by 1:15. We'll be done and on our way home by 1:15. I think we were done and on our way home by 1:35. I was pretty damn close. We rock, I tell you. We work so well together. We really do. We work very, very well together. And we have a good time doing it, too. It was so funny. The second to last house that we did today. Yeah, second to last house that we did today. The homeowners weren't home. So we went in and cleaned, whatever. And decided we were so good for time, it was fine. But we were starting to, excuse me, we were starting to run out of steam a little bit. Like, we just needed a few minutes, right? Just need a little break. I think we've been going for about 4 hours. So we needed a break. So it was like, nah. We just sat in the homeowner's driveway and sat in the, opened up the back of the van and just sort of sat on the tailgate and had some coffee, and I was having a cigarette, and we were just sort of chit-chatting and whatever, as one does. And we look down the street and we see this red van. My coworker goes, "Is that her?" Are they home now? I was like, oh, but we are having break. They cannot come home yet. We are having break. Rather enjoying sitting on the tailgate of the van, just having a break. Sure as shit. Yep, it was her. It was the homeowner. So she pulls into the driveway right behind the van. And as she did that, I flicked my cigarette the other way, like out onto the road. Bless her heart, she got it completely. She put it in reverse. She pulled out. She waited at the end of the driveway there for us to pull out. It was like, no, that's fine. It's fine. We don't need a break. We'll just keep going. It's fine. So we're chuckling and whatever. Get in the van. I looked at the time. Now it says, and my coworker's going, can't even take a break. Like, we're laughing. I can't even take a break. Like, if we hadn't taken a break, she probably would have been gone for another 20 minutes. You know what I mean? She's like, can't even take a break, man. Like, oh my goodness. Back in the car. We gotta go. We might as well go to the last house. Blah, blah, blah. Laughing at her. I said, well, you know, and I pointed at the clock. I said, we got exactly a 7-minute break. She's like, oh, well then, Jesus, forgive me. Oh, she's funny. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. So, it was cute. But we finished up and got home, and of course Monkey was still in school and Boo Boo was at work, so I started puttering in the house a little bit. And got a second load of laundry in, which I have to switch over when I get home tonight, because I just remembered that I did that. I totally forgot. So I'll do that and start a third load. That should be the towels done, and then I have everything to fucking fold, like laundry and towels. Like, oh my dear shitballs. So, finish that up. I swept the main level of the house again. Like, I swept yesterday, but I could sweep every day, like, quite frankly, you know. You know how it goes. But, I swept the main floor. And, went in for a cigarette. Well, I grabbed a coffee, too, of course. And I was sitting out having a smoke, and my buddy called, so I sat and talked to him for, I don't know, maybe half an hour, something like that. And, Monkey came home and, you know, loved on him a little bit and gave him some cuddles. And he went up to goof around in his room. Excuse me. And I brought the rest of the basket of towels down. I just brought down as much as I could carry. Yesterday? Yeah. So I brought the rest of it down today and started the second load. And, came back upstairs, and I said to Monkey at that point, you know, it's like, I gotta go get your brother. I'll be as quick as I can. And I don't know if I got there too early or if I'm just really friggin' tired, but I actually had to get out of the car twice and have a cigarette while I was waiting for Boo Boo, because I was gonna pass out in the car. So, in the parking lot, you know. Oh my goodness. So, that was fine. Picked him up. And he was telling me on the way home, Boo Boo, that he starts his new job on Monday. So I'm excited for him. He's going to leave the shopping place, grocery place, and he's starting somewhere else. And I think he's really excited about it. And I'm excited for him. So that'll be great. And that also means he has the weekend off, which is perfect because it's Monkey's party on Saturday. So it's great that, you know, his big brother will be there and everything. So I don't expect him to hang around the whole day. I mean, the kid's 20 years old. But, you know, I really don't think that Monkey's school friends are coming. So if Boo Boo could be there and just be there for his brother and, you know, just help the kid have a special day, I think that would be such a cool big brother thing to do, you know. And my nephew will be there, so it would be nice for him to spend some time with his cousin too. So, you know, I mean, my nephew's like, what, 8, I think. I'm so bad at keeping track of that shit. He's like 8. So, you know, Boo Boo definitely has nothing in common with the kid. But it is his only cousin. So, you know, and we don't see him very often. So, it's important. You know, he hangs around. Even if it's just like an hour here, that he could fuck off for a bit and then come back for an hour. Like, I don't care. But spend some time, you know. Stuff like that's important. But I'm just kind of watching everybody leaving the park here. I'm down at the very far end of the park. At the end of my street. All the lights across the river coming on. Excuse me. I'm so tired. Dear, oh dear, oh dear. So, yeah. Anybody watching? How was your day? How are you doing? Tomorrow's hump day. Just saying. Halfway through the week. Halfway through the week, bud. Keep pushing. We'll make it. We can do this. We can do this. You know what I hate about being tired like this is in like an hour, hour and a half's time, by about 8:30, 8:45, I'd be fucking wide awake. Wide awake. Like whether I'd gone for a power nap or not, fucking wide awake. Oh, joggers, run, run! I don't get jogging. I don't get running. Like, why? Why would you do that to yourself? Like, unless something really bad is chasing you, like unless your life is in danger, why would you do that to yourself? I think that's just mean. You'd be so mean to yourself for. Oh my God. Oh, thunder. Should I get out and have a smoke now? They've been calling for rain all day. It's been kind of raining all day. But not really. You're going to have to look at my ceiling for a second because... Okay, no bright light. I'm going to jump out and have a cigarette before it starts to fucking drop cats and dogs. I don't know where my other lighter went to. I wonder if it's in my shorts pocket. And I didn't realize that I put it in my shorts pocket. have a backup. Always have a backup. Okay. Bear with me here. Oh, bright light. Sorry. Oh, God. Oh, it's nice out. It's nice and fresh. See, everybody's leaving the park. There we go. That'll do. That'll do. Lovely. Little product placement. I wish. It'd be a cold day in hell before I ever get ads. Or a snowy day in Miami. Oh, I just love leaning against my car. It's so comfy. Shit. Yeah. I was saying something and I totally lost track. The thunder threw me. I think it was either thunder or a truck, but I'm pretty sure it was thunder. Yeah, this morning was really fresh and out. It was nice. It was kind of piddling a little bit, but not really. Just like the occasional drop here and there. And then at some point this afternoon, it got muggy as fuck. Like, oh, you were dying. And now it's getting nice and fresh out again. Feels good. Oh, walk faster. Some dude walking his dog here now. I feel weird. I wish I had a quieter voice sometimes. It'd be much easier vlogging out public. Out in the public. The public. Oh, man. Breeze feels so good. My boyfriend was texting me this morning. He's not a happy guy. I feel so bad for him. He's so frustrated at work. He works so hard. But he feels, I guess, undervalued, underpaid. And he's trying to get like his own little kind of shop off the ground, which would be easier to do if he had like a shop or a garage even. He sent me a text earlier and I can't remember exactly what it said, but it sounded like he was finishing a thought but didn't text me the first part of it, so I was kind of lost. Something about taking time off or taking a day, but then something about his pay and a Monday that I'm off. So I don't know where he was going with that. I wasn't following his thought train. Oh, bad girlfriend. It just felt like there should have been something before that he didn't text me, and I was so lost. And I picked that up, I don't know, maybe that message I got maybe an hour or so before I went to lay down. So I had texted him, you know, he was going out for dinner or something. So I said, well, you know, like when you get in or whatever, like text me later, right? Because I don't understand. I don't know. I'm not on your thought train. So he texted, of course, once I started filming. So I'll have to call him when I'm done. Because I confused.
Like, I cannot cheer you on and make with the happy if I don't know what you're talking about. I can't support you if I don't understand. Oh, she's training the dog. I'm watching this dog walker or dog owner walking her dog. And it sounds like she's trying to train him to sit and stay. And aww. Cute. I love dogs. I've said for years now, as soon as I retire, which will be like the day I die, I am getting me the biggest, dopiest Roddy I can find. Oh, he's gonna be massive. And he's gonna love me and cuddle with me and never ever leave me. It'll be the other way around. I'll be loving him and cuddling him and never ever leave him. He'll be like, piss off. I'll be like, no, I love you. Love me, I feed you. Why are you coming to the park now? It's getting dark. Go away. Why? And you're parking like right in front of me. I'm trying to vlog here. People are so inconsiderate. There's another one. Why? It's a big parking lot. Why? Here comes the rain. I'm getting wet. Oh shit, yeah. Finish my smoke. Can you see the dark cloud over my shoulder? I wonder if that picks up on camera. That looks dark. Or is that my phone? Holy shit. Oh, she's a cold rain. I wonder how many of these people actually come down here and are possibly vlogging as well. Probably none of them, but you never know, right? Getting wet. Oh, sorry, bright light again. Oh, do I have power to put my windows up? No. Hang on a second. Hope my radio doesn't come on. Oh, it's probably gonna. Oh no, I turned it off. We're good. It's fine. It's fine. Ooh, that rain was chilly. Chilly rain. Oh my goodness. Oh, not comfy. Pants are doing weird things. Oh, there we go. That'll do. I want ice cream. But I shouldn't. But I want it. But we shouldn't do it. Which is why we want it. I want ice cream. Oh, they're running in the rain. Run! The same runners, they're going the other way now. See, not even this would be a reason for me to run. Like, fuck it, I'm already wet. It's fine. It's fine. My boyfriend goes for runs from time to time, and he'll text me. He'll be like, going for a run. Fun. You should go for a run. Like, fuck you.
say such hurtful things to me? I give you nothing but love, dude. Fucking talk to me like that. You go run. Have a good time. Be so mean to me. Running is weird. Oh my god. Oh, excuse me. Holy crap. I don't know if you can hear the rain now, but she's coming down now. It's not spitting anymore. It's actually raining. Run! Oh, they're all running now. Suckers. Everybody's piecing out. Quitter. Oh dear. That's funny. I hope the weather is nice on the weekend, like rain all week, because I want it nice for the weekend. I want to be outside, I want to barbecue, I want to do a bonfire. Like, I have Monkey all weekend. I very, very seldom have him on the weekend. So, we can stay up late. We won't, but we can. And do a bonfire and do s'mores and just do all kinds of shit. He can rub that in real good when he goes back to school on Monday and be like, fuck all of you. Don't need you to come to my party. My mom is fine. Ooh, rain. If I had to put my sub pump back on today in the pool would be empty. And I knew that the weather was supposed to get weird, and I purposely left enough water in there that if it got windy and crazy, it wouldn't blow all over the fucking place. And I'm kind of glad that I did that. Because I'm probably not going to get to putting it away until like Wednesday or Thursday. Possibly fucking Friday. Oh, Cabby just pulled in. Hello, Cabby. Weird. Anyway. Has little lights on, so he's on duty. Why would you be on duty and sitting in the well, I guess he was waiting for a call. Makes sense. Never mind. We can't make fun of the Cabby. Had a really good buddy who used to drive cab. Actually, that's how I met him. He used to drive me and Monkey. Or me and Boo Boo. Monkey. Me and Boo Boo. When we first moved here. And when I bought the house down here, and I was on, sorry, everything is twisty and weird. When I was on compassionate care leave, when my mom got sick, he used to come over and sit in my driveway when he was in between calls. He'd bring coffee. We had to stay by the car because he had to be by the radio, but, you know, we would sit out on the hood of the car and have a smoke and drink the coffee, and he'd get a call, and sometimes it would be the owner's wife that was dispatching, and she was a frickin' hoot. I loved her to pieces. We were all on a first name basis. I used to use the same cab company all the time for years. And I mean, I use that cab company sometimes 3 times a day. A day. So we knew each other very, very well. And she'd, you know, get on the radio and she'd, you know, be talking to my buddy and she'd be like, you know, all right, put your smokes out. Give Jen her coffee. Give her a hug for me. Get your ass back in the car. I got a ride for you. Like, all right. Back to work. And then before I got the house, when I was in the townhouse, sometimes, because I had 2 parking spots that were included in my rent at the townhouse, he would go park in the second spot. Well, he could park in any spot because I didn't have a car back then. But I had these spots that, you know, were included in the rent. So he would just sit he would sit in my parking spot. Whether I was home or not, you know. I can remember coming home from work one day. My mom picked Boo Boo up from daycare. And, he was spending a week at my mom's. It was summertime. He used to go spend a week or 2 at my mom's when he was little, so that I could have a little bit of a break. And I came home after work. It was like a Friday. And I think it was like a short shift. It was one of those like 9 to 1s or something. I hate those shifts. It's not even worth getting out of bed. But I came home, so I walked, because I've always been walking distance from work when I did hair. And the only reason I cabbed was because I had to cab further to get Boo Boo to daycare and then backtrack to work. It was a pain in the ass. Very expensive. And so I walked home. Timmy's was on the way, so, you know, you leave work, go over, across the street, literally across the street to Timmy's, and then walk home. It was maybe, with a coffee stop, it was maybe a 20-minute walk. But if I walk straight to and from home to work, 10 or 15. So, got my coffee and I came home and, you know, I'm coming around the corner, so I'm fishing to get my key out. And I look up and I see a cab sitting in my parking spot in front of my townhouse. I'm like, eh? Because I always pre-ordered my cabs, so they knew what time to be there, like a day in advance. But I didn't order no fucking cab. I thought maybe somebody screwed up or something. And as I get closer, my buddy puts down his window and he yells over to me, and I'm like, what'd you do? Like, not that I'm not happy to see you or nothing, but what the fuck are you doing sitting in front of my house? Like, you stalking me now? Right? I'm teasing him. He's laughing. You wish you... Like, I didn't want to go sit in the Zellers parking lot or the Giant Tiger parking lot. It's too people-y. And it's too hot. My little townhouse area was very, very quiet. It was awesome. Nothing ever happened over there. It was so the polar opposite to where I am now. He's like, oh, besides, I just thought I'd sit here and enjoy the quiet. Have a coffee, have a cigarette, wait for dispatch, tell me where to go. I was like, you don't need dispatch to tell you where to go. I'll tell you where to go, bud. Such a good guy. I haven't seen him in forever. He's retired now. Oh, he was a good guy. Well, sure, he still is a good guy. I haven't seen him in like probably a year and a half, maybe. Damn near 2. I have no idea. Yeah, he was one of the first people that I met when I moved here. Like 16 years ago, give or take. Funny guy. Dude has stories, let me tell you. Live a life. Oh my goodness. She is really raining. Ooh. Woo. You hear that? Holy crap. Coming down, but good. Ah, well. This will be a quicker vlog, I think, tonight. I am so tired, and it's really raining. So, I'm going to jump off. Go switch those towels around. Bother my kids. And I gotta call my boyfriend, so. Holy moly, like, look at this. Look at that. It is coming down. This will be fun driving home. Fuck me. Alright, I gotta go do some stuff, so pray for me that I get home. Anybody watching, have a great night. This will go up for Wednesday, so have a fabulous hump day. Take care of yourself, and we'll talk later.